Okay guys, this is recording right now. How's everything?
Good.
Alright. Say hi.
Hi.
This is David. Who's David? The middle? Mark. Christian. Marvin and the wife. Right there. There you go. This is going to YouTube. Alright. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Thank you for coming in Richard's Bakery. And hope to see you around all the time. So what happened? You guys, you didn't come here for so long, huh?
No, we went to a museum sa Balboa.
Museum? Ah.
Free.
I see. Pangasinan ba siya? Tagalog?
Tagalog. Wala na nakakaintindi ng Pangasinan.
Hindi na? Hindi na nakakaintindi. Oh, pwede natin ibenta sa Pangasinan yan. Marami pa. Ang ating mga Pinsan. Ayan. Ayan. Bakit puro lalaki anak nyo?
Kasi walang babae.
Siya lang ang babae, di ba? You guys speak Tagalog too?
Konti lang.
Konti. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Cheese rolls, yeah. Yeah. Which one?
Okay, good. How about you?
Kapisan, say hi to Panggalangan. Mapangasinan kayo.
Kumusta kilalitan? Mga kababayan.
Kabaleyans.
Kabaleyans. Kabaryo.
Kabandaan.
Kabandaan.
There you go.
Si Bel Maria kay Bagiray Pamilya. Kuya Kamid. Bakery in Kapinsan. Wilma. Makasali kami tinapay.
Mga palikot inagugaw ah. Kabalog Lara. Yeah. Kumusta yung mami mo? Ang Chamiri, kumusta? Okay? Si Jane.
Si Jing K. Limadyaw. Lately.
New Year.
Ito lang po.
Ayan lang. Sige. Alright, thank you very much. How you like the Richard's Bakery products, Mrs.
Oh, that's good. They
Vinluan?
taste good. Very good. I like the bibingka.
You're the Bika. Oh, thank you
Bibingka
for
masarap.
coming back here. You're from Temecula, right?
Yep.
Menifee.
Ah, Menifee. Oh my God, it's hot there, huh? Okay, thank you very much. Would you like to say something more for your Kabalayan? Panggalangan.
Kumusta kilalitan? Kabaluyan. Kabaryo. Kaanakan.
Okay, thank you very much. Talaga namang